Yes. Yeah. Good evening, all. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold 20 plus years of experience in different technologies like in data engineering and data science and AI. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I can confirm. I hear your voice,
Yes, fine. Thank
and
you.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the confirmations. Right. Yeah. Uh, Data science. Talking about data. Everything deals with the data. Total world is flooded with user data. Here data has got experience, data has got future reference. Using the data or using this data science, we perform data analysis, data predictions, data classifications, clusterings, recommendations, right? So many techniques. Data science, if I talk about this data science, combination of maths, statistics, programming, like advanced analytics, AI, machine learning, AI, right, for extracting insights hidden in organizations' data. So, combination of maths, statistics, programming, analytics, ML, and AI for extracting insights hidden in any organization's data. So, in a shorter version, just if I say in a shorter version, right. Mm. Data science is the art of tuning data. Data science, it's the art of tuning data into actions. Is the art of tuning data into actions. In different way, I will define this. So data science, see generally data, it focus on value. It focus on value, but not the volume. See this data science, sorry, data science, the field which is getting evolved at a rapid speed. It is evolving at a rapid speed today. So just be part of this journey. So I can say data science, we say data science, how it has got emerged from statistics and from data mining. So it is data science. It is all about using the tools and also using techniques and creativity and to uncover the insights hidden within the data. So as I said, it is combining maths, computer science, and this domain expertise, and to tackle these real world challenges in the various fields. Combination of all this, right? Focus on value, but not on the volume, right? So here processing the raw data, process the raw data and solve the business problems and even make some kind of predictions about the future trends or the requirements. For example, huge raw data of a company. Data science can help you answer the questions, right? What do a customer want? How do we improve our services? What will be the upcoming trends in the sales and how much stock they need or they required for a particular event? These things, right? Yes. So as data science and AI, generally people immediately ask AI and generative AI, agentic AI, right? So these things, if I just give AI, artificial intelligence. Simply, you can say like developing systems. Just I got some queries, right?